Jimmy safe at second and Flynn hugging third.
Is that from Jersey Shore?
It's from Casey at the Bat. He's the only guy. He's a sports writer in L.A., and it's the only thing he ever wrote, and it's.
Huh?
I'm recording.
Okay. Okay, I guess we're going to start. Hey everybody, I'm Levi Agee. You're watching MoviesWorld. Well, we were called Movies. Since we're here in Conway, we're going to interview Dwight David Honeycutt.
Honeycutt.
Who's ran for school board.
Conway School Board.
What did you do?
First of all, I want to thank you for your interest in the arts. More than a week.
I bit my tongue really hard. Sorry.
Oh man, I know that hurts. I've done that. Also had live bumps. Have you ever had a live bump? It's a thing you get on your tongue.
Like a
where
snake?
It's not a canker sore.
No.
No. No. Goddamn canker sore. But, are you a student
What
of
are
the
you
art?
doing Friday? What's going on Friday?
Friday, ooh, good question. Friday, I'm supposed to be at Juanita's in Little Rock for a gala event.
The gays?
Not gays, gala.
Oh.
Jesus.
I'm not gay.
No, I wasn't.
You pointed at me.
Oh no, I wasn't.
You said
I wasn't.
gay.
No, gay. Oh, let's see. I'm old enough to where gay was a good word. See, when I was a student, gay was a good word. Gay was happy, carefree.
You didn't care if you did it?
Huh?
You didn't care if you did it gay? Gay free?
Gay, huh? Carefree. Carefree, yeah. Yeah. Memories in the corner of your mind.
We're doing a show.
Hello. We're doing a show.
Sorry about that.
It's okay.
I left. So.
Oh, okay.
So Friday, you're going to be at Juanita's.
It's going to be. I think the thing is supposed to start at 9, so they're trying to allow the diners to kind of disperse, and then it's supposed to be kind of a party. We're going to have a couple of bands. We're going to have comedians and just funny sons of bitches, man.
Can I go?
Yeah, I mean, it's going to be laughs, and you wouldn't even believe it. You might.
I don't believe it now.
Yeah.
I don't believe you're going to let me in, so I'm going to need you to write it.
Oh no, I will write it.
We'll just
but,
write.
But
Go
you are
ahead
going
and
to.
write it now.
You're going to.
Write it now.
A man of your influence should be able to get in.
Yeah. Are you with me on that one?
Yes, I'm with you.
Me?
I'm with you. The
Yeah.
only thing about rap is like loosely defined as a poetry reading. That's rap. Rap is, and I'd say loosely defined as a poetry reading is what it is. People ask me, by the way, they've asked me if I wore underwear. And I know it's odd. And I say, well, sometimes. Yeah.
You're going to have to get off that couch.
I am.
Well, we're renting it.
Well, no, the couch, the thing of it is, I mean, underwear protects, as the comedian says, the underwear protects your ass from your pants. Yeah. Saturday afternoon, you should be home drinking beer.
Do you drink a lot?
I used to drink more than I do now. I will say that. Yes.
Wow. Wow.
Wow, that's right. Yeah. I used to be a big volume guy.
Well, if you're like my daddy, when you drink, you have your foot on top of my head.
Oh.
Like
No.
that's just how we did.
No,
Yeah.
that's it for you. He's leaving.
I just wish you would leave, sir.
I'll be happy to. It's certainly not my studio. And I don't have a
Not
call.
ours either, so leave it the way you found it.
Well, okay.
Will you help them put all the cameras up?
No, I won't help a goddamn bit because I am. I've done that all my life, and
You're
I've-
used to it.
I've done
Let's get to it.
stu.
Get away from me. It's not funny.
What is this green? And what does that mean?
Get out.
Green G. Get so. You feel like you want to punch me? Take a shot. Man. The only time you gonna get it.
You remind me of my dad. Is why I'm sick of you.
Oh, okay.
You're gonna put your foot on my head and drink more.
I might.
Well, that makes me want to rip your balls off.
Man, you're standing there.
Well,
It's up to you, Daddy.
say one more thing about it.
Pretty heavy. Is that an Allen wrench or a straw?
Get the guy out of here!
Why? Well, thank you for having me, Levi.
Shut up.
I will.
Shut up.
Bye, you guys.
Stink.
Stick a shoe.
No, you stink, sir.
Yeah, get foot on your head now, goddammit. Now you get on your head. Don't put the head on you, son of a bitch.
Okay.
Yeah, I got Dwight Honeycutt, School Board.
This has been Levi Ages with Movies World.